Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When September comes, David and I are busy harvesting our produce. From there, we preserve them by doing canning, freezing, or dehydrating. Pesto is a sauce I make every year. Beside the basic recipe, I have a few different ones. Here's part 1 of 2 on 8 different recipes to make. In today's episode, I'll show you 4 of my 8 ways to make pesto. I have Asian, Mexican, Italian, and of course the traditional one. From one to another, the flavors are deliciously different, giving you a variety of tastes to choose from. Part 2 will be coming up next year. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Let's start with the basic one that everyone seems to know. This is what we'll need. Pine nuts, a clove of garlic, salt and pepper, nice fresh basil leaves, of course, extra virgin olive oil, and some Grana Padano cheese. So we'll go ahead and in the bowl of a food processor, we'll add basil, a large clove of garlic, and some pine nuts. Then we'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper, although we'll probably season again later. We'll place the lid, otherwise it won't work, and remove the pusher. We'll process for about 15 to 20 seconds before adding the grated cheese. Then we'll restart the appliance and slowly we'll emulsify the oil by adding it in a steady small stream. Adding the oil while the processor is running prevents it from separating. Also, we'll have to stop a few times to scrape the sides of the bowl. Furthermore, let's not forget to taste and adjust if needed. Voila! Here's our beautiful basic pesto, and it yields about 2/3 of a cup. Next, let's make the second one, the Italian pesto. In the bowl of a food processor, we'll add basil, fresh parsley, Italian or curly, your choice, a large seeded Roma tomato, some pistachios, a couple cloves of garlic, Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, lemon juice, freshly squeezed of course. Then we'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll process for about 15 seconds or so. We'll also clean the sides of the bowl, and like earlier, we'll emulsify the oil by slowly pouring it through the feed tube. And this is our delicious Italian version, and it makes 1 cup. Now, let's move on with our Mexican pesto. We'll add cilantro and parsley to the bowl of our food processor. To this, we'll add pepitas, 2 large cloves of garlic, cotija cheese, but you can always substitute with feta, then freshly squeezed lime juice and some hot sauce. We'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Just like with the previous recipes, we'll process for 15 seconds, then clean the sides of the bowl. Restart the processor before slowly pouring in the oil in a steady small stream. This is another flavorful recipe, and it makes 1 cup as well. The next one is amazing, and it's the Asian pesto. Using the food processor again, we'll add basil, fresh cilantro, unsalted cashews, some sesame seeds, fresh chopped ginger, low sodium soy sauce, and chili oil, which you can get the recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. We'll put the lid on and process for how long? Yeah, 15 seconds. That's right. Of course, we'll clean the sides of the bowl a few times and then emulsify the oil by slowly pouring it through the feed tube while the appliance is running. Let's not forget to taste and adjust if necessary. Mine needed some ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Obviously, if we add anything to it, we'll have to process again. And this is our last flavorful pesto recipe for this episode, and it yields 2/3 of a cup. And my friends, this is part 1 of Pesto 8 Ways. If you've loved pesto or have never tried it before, here are 4 delicious versions to get you started. They are quick and easy to make with a variety of different flavors. Stay tuned for part 2 of this series with 4 more tantalizing recipes coming next year. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit cookfoodie.com for ingredient amount, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!